Well, good morning.
Good morning.
So we have just left Andorra.
Yeah, and we're on our way to the La Rioja region of Spain, notorious for its red wine and wineries. So we're going to be
Sounds terrible.
we're going to be eating and drinking our hearts out for the next 5 days, I think.
Because we haven't done this on this trip already.
Not at all, yeah. It's hard to get a good Spanish meal. I know it sounds crazy, but you think tapas is at every corner, but it really wasn't like that. We didn't really find that.
No, we didn't actually, but we did hear that apparently Barcelona or Seville maybe
and San Sebastian.
San Sebastian's are the way. The tapas is called a little bit different.
Pinchos?
No, not picos, pinchos, something like that. So anyway, we're hoping to eventually try that over there.
Yeah.
But Andorra was great. Nice little quick stopover. Cheap for certain types of beverages.
Yeah, well, they're a tax-free. Well, they're a tax haven, I think. Well, they were a tax haven, but there's only 10% income tax versus 47% in Australia at some interest rate, and there's 10% company tax versus 30% company tax. So I can understand why a lot of businesses set up in Andorra, but there's no tax on wine and spirits and stuff like that. So we got 1.25 litres of vodka.
Oh gosh, let me get this. This is a workout.
Yeah,
We have one of these.
Yeah, so 1.25 litres was €6. So that's $9.
So that should really last us for the whole of our trip. Just saw a bike got really close
He was
to
on the
a
wrong
car.
side of the road, but he realised what he'd done.
So yeah, so we got some vodka from Andorra, really.
And the fuel was there's no fuel excise, so the fuel was half price, which was good. So we fueled up before we left as well.
Yes, so we've got some snacks.
Yeah, in the last 12 months in Europe, it's gone from about €1 a litre to €2 a litre. So I think they're getting affected by the fuel price hike as well, same as everybody else.
Yeah. So.
But we didn't actually shoot anything in Andorra.
There wasn't really too much to shoot apart from, well, the beautiful scenery, which we have a little bit of, but not too much because it was just a quick stopover, and I think you had to go for a massive hike, which was going to be a couple of hours. So by the time we got there, it was pretty late.
It was
and
late,
we were knackered.
and we were stuffed. We drove for 5 hours, so it was a killer. But this is a 5-hour drive as well. So.
But the difference with this is that we are going to be staying in the the wine region for 5 nights.
Yeah.
So we've got plenty of time to explore.
We're staying in a town called Haro.
Yes, it's like a self-contained apartment where it's got a washing machine, which I'm very happy about because we
Going
need
to one of the
wash.
busiest wine regions in the world, you're excited about a washing machine.
It's not like that. I have to wash our clothes.
No, someone's a bit stinky, I don't know who, but someone.
Ignore that.
Yeah.
That's getting cut out.
No, it's staying in. Alright, so we won't film too much on the journey, but we're on the road now. We've got
I'll show you a little
4
bit.
4.5 hours to go pretty much.
Some beautiful scenery. We've just hit a little town. Still amazing scenery. So yeah, we should arrive at about 3 o'clock hopefully.
Yeah, we'll stop halfway through today and have a break. We didn't have a break yesterday.
Yeah, we're not going to do that this time. So we'll have a break and then touch base when we're halfway.
Yeah, see you then. We're there.
We have just nearly arrived to Haro.
Alright, well here it is.
I missed that.
You missed it.
I missed it. I'm great.
510 Ks, just 5.5 hours.
Wow.
So we're in the heart of the wine region.
We are.
In Spain. We entered the area La Rioja about an hour ago, and it's just vineyards non-stop, hasn't stopped.
100 Ks.
100 Ks, 120 Ks with the vineyards, it's just non-stop. So I think it's going to be a fun time. There's going to be plenty to drink.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Lots of little treks. Have a look at the town.
Pretty awesome.
Oh, that looks really pretty. We'll do a proper tour of the actual place instead of the town, I think.
We're here for a few days.
Yeah, so we've got plenty of time to go through it. So we're going to check in to our place. We'll show you the apartment. Yeah. And then see what else it's got to offer.
I think we're going to rest and relax.
It's going to be good.
It's going to be good. Well, we are here in Haro in La Rioja. It's Spain's most famous wine region, and we just met Victor, who has the apartment, owns the apartment, and he gave us a little bit of a rundown of everything. So let's check the apartment out. Let's see who's home.
Hey!
As I was saying, Victor was sensational.
Such a wonderful host.
Yeah, he was.
Absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, gave us heaps
Really
of
helpful. We've
maps.
got maps for wineries, where to go to restaurants. He showed us where to park our car, which is under an underground car park.
Yeah, so it was awesome. It was a fair old drive, so we're glad to be out of the car, I think.
Yes, we left Andorra and it's probably about, what, 5 hours?
5 hours. And encountered our first bloody toll. The whole time in Spain. 21
euros.
21 euros. Whew, they don't miss you. But that was the first one, I guess. That was alright. So, what do we got?
We're going to start with the lounge.
The lounge room.
Which is a nice 2-seater, 2.5 I'd say.
I think it's going to be a bit sticky because it's like 40 today.
Yeah, it is, but today's the only day.
Today's the only day, yeah.
We've got little footstools.
Little ottomans. Imagine having an empire built on and putting your feet up. This is
Ollie's going to sit.
This is a view from the street.
This is your seat.
There's a mountain over there, you can sort of see it. But that's the main square's down that way, so it's only 200 metres away.
This is your seat.
There's a naughty seat. TV.
We have a full
kitchen.
Full kitchen, I
Yeah,
guess.
we've got a little dining room we'll never use. Look,
One thing I'm really
so happy,
about.
so happy. Is that a dryer or just a washer?
I don't know.
I think it's just a washer.
Just a washer.
Yeah, but we've got an oven.
Got an ironing.
Got an oven as well, which is good. We've got kettles.
Toaster.
Got the essentials in the freezer.
That's good.
Yeah.
Oh,
He got us a fan, which was nice.
what's that for then?
It's got to be the heat.
Yeah, they didn't say this.
Yeah.
Apparently there's no aircon.
There's no aircon, because they don't need the aircon, they said.
So we've got 2 lovely bedrooms, one for working, one for sleeping, so very nice and cosy.
Yeesh.
We've got a snuggish bathroom, I'll say.
We've got a big bathroom. It's got the world's biggest bath.
Hang on.
It's not dissimilar to the Hotel Paris.
Oh gosh.
Fit.
I think I just
It's pug size.
fit in. Oh gosh.
You've been in the car for 5.5 hours.
Yoga.
Exactly. And then they got the big bedroom here with another fan. That's nice. Got 2 fans.
This is cool.
Yeah.
These are nice. Very comfortable.
Ooh, good,
Bouncy. Another fan. And then we can put our bags here.
Yeah.
And a little closet.
Perfect.
Got a few bits and pieces. Oh, and more. Oh, this is great. More pillows.
More pillows, look at that.
Nice.
What I love about my home is who I share it with. It's with you, baby. Home is where you are.
This is awesome. We're going to love it here.
Yeah.
We've got 5 nights.
5 nights. We'll do heaps of videos because he showed us a map, and down the end of the street there's like a restaurant region,
yes,
and bar region with tapa.
Yeah.
And then there's another region which has got all the wineries, 7 of the most famous wineries in the
yes.
La Rioja region.
Yeah, so that we'll definitely be using that.
Oh, we're using
We've
that.
got wine tours booked and everything, so it'll be nice.
Yes. So stay tuned to the channel, and we'll do some filming and some eating and drinking and some sleeping and some writing and some editing. So hope you enjoy the next few days.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.